Hi, I'm Stanley. I'm an application expert with Danfoss, and I'm here to explain to you about pressure-independent valves and Novacon. What we can do in Danfoss is basically take the hot water that the system is generating by using the CO2 system and use that through the heat recovery unit for heating basically the supermarket. So let's say if it is summer and you want to cool, then basically you see that we have a chiller for cooling the supermarket. But in winter, then you're still cooling your products, your meat and your vegetables. But that energy is basically usually dispersed in the air. With the heat recovery unit, we can take that heat and put it back in the supermarket and do basically heating. So we take out of the heat recovery unit, we go to the HVAC system, and we can control the HVAC system. Now, if you do the HVAC system control, you also need to have different flows in your system. This is where a pressure-independent valve is really good, because you can set the flow, and in the case of this actuator, you can basically do that by setting the flows through the computer. So what we can see is that, let's say now it's 520, and if you want to set your maximum flow to 300, you basically just use the computer to set it to 300, and that is that. That's one function. Another function is these actuators are connected through BACnet or Modbus to the BMS system. So you want to maybe control the return temperature, because the COP of the whole system is very dependent on actually what the return temperature is. And built in the Novacon, there are actually controls that allow you to do the return temperature control. You can set either a delta T or a specific delta T, or you can limit, and then basically the actuator makes sure that your delta T or your return temperature is exactly what you need. And as mentioned, the actuators are connected directly to the BACnet or Modbus system, and that means that they can be connected to an AKM from Danfoss, or to the Alsense Danfoss platform that can monitor the whole supermarket. Thank you for your attention.